This is your man Cass. Today I've got my rims, which I was aiming to put on my car for my Nissan Leaf. I managed to pick up these. These are all brand new 19-inch OEM Nissan rims. These are on the size of 7.0J by 19 FH. Obviously there you have it, the OEM Nissan rims. These are actually the offset. Where is the offset on this one? There we go. Right, offset on this one is a little bit different, but it should hopefully fit perfectly fine. That's 114, that's the lug nut setting. The ET40 is basically the distance between this and the actual what's that called, brake disc and the bearing. Hopefully these are going to be installed on my car tomorrow. These look like they're black and silver, but in actual fact, if you look closely, if this camera focuses a little bit, let's see if we can get this thing to focus. There we go. If you look closely, these are actually pearl white, if it makes any sense. If you can see, just about see, these are actually pearl white, but the actual color, this actual black, metallic pearl black, this is identical color to my car. My Nissan Leaf is actually pearl metallic black as well. So these will hopefully look perfectly nice on my car. I've got to get the tire stem. This is going to be done tomorrow, hopefully. And yes, this is in my room, and hopefully tomorrow I will show you these on my vehicle. Thank you, and do like and subscribe, and enjoy.